This tablet is a multivitamin product that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency. It is especially helpful for people with poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are important for the body and help to keep you healthy. It contains a combination of B-complex, vitamin C, minerals, iron, and folic acid. It is recommended to take 1 tablet daily with a meal for best absorption. It is best to take this tablet at the same time every day to help ensure that you do not forget to take it. When taking B-complexamin Fa tablet, it is important to follow the dosage instructions provided by your doctor or on the product package. Typically, this medication is taken orally once a day. It is important to take the recommended dosage and not exceed it. In order to reap the full benefits of this medication, it is important to take it regularly. To help you remember, try taking it at the same time each day. If you have any questions about the dosage or usage of this medication, it is best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or an upset stomach while taking B-complexamin Fa tablet, don't worry. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If any of these effects persist or worsen, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits to you outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. Although it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as a rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. And remember, if you are in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. If you are in Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. It's very important to keep products containing iron, like this B-complexamin Fa tablet, out of reach of children, as accidental overdose of iron-containing products can be fatal for children under 6 years old. If overdose does occur, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately or call a poison control center. Before taking B-complexamin Fa tablet, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to its ingredients, soy or peanuts. This is because it may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other problems. Make sure to discuss your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal issues. If the multivitamin brand you are taking also contains folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency, pernicious anemia, before taking it. Folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating this anemia, which could result in serious nerve problems. It's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Additionally, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to consult your doctor before using this medication to ensure the safety for both you and your baby. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Also, do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's best to avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or some antibiotics. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. And, if your multivitamin contains folic acid, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to let the lab personnel and all your doctors know that you use this drug. If there is an overdose with serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or a poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Be sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. Some brands of this medication may also contain additional ingredients like docusate. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in the brand of medication you are taking, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this product is not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's best to get your vitamins from a well-balanced diet, so be sure to follow any dietary guidelines provided by your doctor. If you are taking this product on a prescribed schedule and forget a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time of your next dose, skip the missed dose. Take your next dose at the regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Remember to store B-complexamine FA tablet at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of the reach of children and pets. When it's expired or no longer needed, be sure to discard it properly. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. And remember, don't flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.